Hello, Sandberg Math students. So basically, what we have done is we've created an SAT prep course for freshmen, sophomores, and juniors to use in order to prepare for the PSAT or the SAT that's coming up in April. Okay, I wanted to give you kind of like a guide on how to use the course. Your teachers will probably assign, different parts of the course for this e-learning, all right, or outside class or inside class. But feel free to use it as much as you want. You can work ahead on lessons and do whatever you want with it. It's here for you to, prepare for the PSAT or SAT. So real quick, as you can see, SAT is broken up into 4 domains. Now, there are lessons on 3 of the 4 domains that you'll find on the SAT. If you're a freshman, you want to focus on the heart of algebra lessons and the problem solving and data lessons. If you're a junior or a sophomore, you also want to make sure you do the Passport to Advanced Math lessons. Okay. Now, in each domain, the first thing you'll see is the packet. And the packet is all the lessons that each of these videos go through. So when you click on this, you can actually download and print, right, the packet, or you could just look at the questions from the video. But when you're in a lesson, right, you'll see that each lesson has a set of practice questions, right? Now, what you're going to be doing is working on a practice question, right? Enter your answer and determine if you need to listen to the explanation or not. So once you print off the packet, right, what you do is you go to the first lesson in the packet, right, and then you click on lesson 1. Once you click on the lesson, it'll take you to Edpuzzle. Now, the nice part about Edpuzzle is if you see the bubbles at the bottom, these bubbles represent the questions that are in the packet, right? So when you're in the packet, Heart of Algebra Lesson 1, right, you can click on each of these questions and answer. So what you would do, right, is the first part of the video will go through a review of the topic. Once the topic is reviewed, right, it'll bring you to the first question in the packet. So when you click on that question, you'll have the ability to answer that question. So again, these questions are all in the packet that you have the opportunity to print out. Once I answer the question and hit submit, it tells me right away if that question is right or if that question is wrong. If I get it wrong and I hit continue, the video will actually go through an explanation of that problem. If I get the problem correct, I can click on the next bubble and answer that question. Okay, I submit my answer. Oops, I got that one wrong. So whether I get it correct or incorrect, I can move on to the next question if I want. But what you have to understand is that after each bubble, right, is an explanation of the problem you just answered. Okay, now all the problems in your packet are labeled, and when you click on a question, the label of that question will show right here. Okay, so you know what question you're answering. Okay, so if you decide to watch the video, right, if you get it wrong, it'll pop up when you get to the next question. And your goal is to go through these questions, make sure you understand them, and watch the explanation if you don't understand them. Okay, so if you look, Heart of Algebra has 13 lessons for you to do, right? Problem solving and data has 5. Passport to Advanced Math has 10. Your goal is to get through as many as you can in the future. Hope this helps. Thank you.